Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, you have to have the keyboard on the screen. And now we can take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and you will be able to find it somewhere here. You can tap on it, hold it and drag it to this panel to have much faster access. So let's enter the settings, enter the languages. This is the list of the languages we've got currently added to our keyboard. So let's tap on add keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of options of languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you like to set and tap on it. Let me pick a graphical language in order to show you the difference. And this time I'll pick Assyrian. Let's tap on it. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So simply tap on the one you like to set. Sometimes also you will have 2 or 3 different keyboards from which you will be able to choose. So simply mark the one you'd like to set and tap on done. And as you can see, our new language has been immediately added, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, or maybe you cannot see because you did not pay attention to the keyboard at the very beginning of this video, but we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it here we've got the globe icon, which is the language key also, so it will simply allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again and again, English. So this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need 2, 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's tap on the settings again, come back to the languages, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon. Right now from this tab you can also change the order of the languages. Just tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position, because the language which is on the first position will be displayed as first if you will open the keyboard. And if you'd like to remove the language, all you have to do is to simply mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, and after going back to the keyboard you can see you can see that the keyboard just got back to the very first step, the very first look. So the spacebar is empty and we do not have the language key. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.